The LG VH13 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the iPhone XS from Boost Mobile, guys. So the iPhone XS is now here at Boost Mobile. So the newest iPhone is here for Boost. Boost Mobile has the iPhone XS available in 3 different colors. You have space gray, which is currently out of stock. You have silver, which is currently out of stock as well. And you have gold, which is the only one that is currently in stock as of right now. They have it in 3 storage options: 64 gigabytes, 256 gigabytes, or 512 gigabytes. The full retail price of the iPhone XS 64 gig is $999, but you can save $100 off, so that's a win. So the 64 gigabyte iPhone XS is $899, $1049, $1249. Alright, so it's $899, $1049, $1249. So yeah, so let's go check out the iPhone XS for Boost. It's kind of out of stock, but the only one that's available is the gold one. So here's the frame right here. Y'all guys have the earpiece front facing camera right there. You guys have your sound switch up there, your volume buttons there. Power button there. And the charging ports at the bottom there. Power button right there. Your camera does stick out just a bit. Here's the front and back. This is the space gray version. Dual cameras and all that good stuff. Here's back of the iPhone XS. You guys have dual cameras, like I said, Apple logo, iPhone logo, and whatnot. There it is, all 3 colors: gold, space gray, and silver. So it says here, iPhone XS features a 5.8-inch Super Retina display with custom-built OLED panels for an HDR display that provides the industry-best color accuracy, true blacks, and remarkable brightness. Advanced Face ID lets you securely unlock your iPhone, log into apps, and pay with just a glance. The A12 Bionic chip with next generation neutral engine uses real-time machine learning to transform the way you experience photos, gaming, augmented reality, and more. A breakthrough 12-megapixel dual camera system takes your portraits to the next level with portrait mode, portrait lighting, enhanced bokeh, and all new depth control. Water resistant in iOS 12, the most advanced mobile operating system, with powerful new tools that make iPhone more personal than ever. So yeah, y'all see some of the specs right there. It has a 5.8-inch display, 12-megapixel dual cameras on rear, 21 hours of talk time, 4K video, and iOS 12, of course. And of course, how does it work is you buy the phone, wait for your friend to arrive, and pick your net contract plan and activate and all that good stuff. So it says, welcome to the big screens. Super Retina in 2 sizes, including the largest display ever on an iPhone. Even faster Face ID, the smartest, most powerful chip in a smartphone, and a breakthrough dual camera system. iPhone XS is everything you love about iPhone, taken to the extreme. So they got the comparison between the iPhone XS Max, 8 Plus, and iPhone XS right there. Exceptional materials, the most durable glass ever in a smartphone, a beautiful new gold finish achieved with an atomic level process, precision machine, surgical grade stainless steel bands, and a new level of water and dust resistance. Advanced Face ID. Security is simple. When your face is your password, you can unlock your iPhone, log into apps, and pay for things with a glance. It's the most secure facial authentication ever in a smartphone, and now it's even faster. Intelligent A12 Bionic. This is the smartest, most powerful chip in a smartphone. The Apple's next generation neutral engine for amazing augmented reality experiences. Incredible portrait with depth control and speed and fluidity and everything you do. Breakthrough dual camera system. The world's most popular camera is defining a new era of photography when an innovative sensor works with the ISP and neutral engine to help you create photos like never before. So this camera is supposed to be really good. Has dual 12 megapixel rear cameras, 4K video at 60 frames. True depth camera is 7 megapixels in front, portrait mode with depth control, and 1080p videos at 60 frames. And this iPhone XS delivers gigabyte class LTE for super fast download speeds and up to 512 gigabytes of storage, making this Apple's highest capacity iPhone yet. No other phone is like iPhone. Every decision that goes into iPhone makes it stand apart, from the way it's made to the way privacy and security are built in from the start, to the way Apple responsibly recycles it. Specs on iPhone XS, as you guys know, has built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery, talk time 21 hours. The battery is not removable. It has variable memory, 64, 256, and 512 gigs. A12 bionic chip with next generation neutral engine, iOS 12. Dual 12 megapixel cameras, it's wide angle and telephoto lens cameras. Portrait mode with advanced bokeh and depth control, and 4K videos recorded at 24 frames, 30 or 60 frames. 5.8 inch super retina display with OLED display there. Dimensions of the iPhone XS is 5.65 inches height, 2.79 inches on the width, and 0.30 inches on the depth. iPhone XS weighs 6.24 ounces. The connectivity to the iPhone XS comes with a Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi, Lightning connector, NFC with reader mode, so that's a win. And what you guys get in the box is your standard iPhone stuff there. So you guys get iPhone XS with iOS 12, Lightning to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter, documentation, AirPods with Lightning connector, Lightning to USB, and USB power adapter. If you guys need help with your iPhone XS, please my boy's here to help you out with that, with device support. So if you guys need help with your iPhone XS, device support will help you out with that. So there it is, guys. iPhone XS now available at Boost Mobile. The gold one is currently in stock, but the space gray and the silver ones are currently out of stock. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.